Everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one tool which is useful for all short form content creators. This is an AI tool using which you can create videos easily. You just have to put in your script and it will create short form videos for Instagram, YouTube Shorts and various other social medias. So I'll show you how it works. You just put in your script here and say create video. See in this video, the script is mentioned here, and if I play it now,
DMT or N,N-dimethyltryptamine is a powerful psychedelic compound found naturally in certain plants and animals. When ingested, typically through smoking or vaporizing, it induces a profound and intense psychedelic experience characterized by vivid visual J. DMT or N,N-dimethyltryptamine.
So in this way you can create various videos here. So let me take another video here. Let's take this.
Traveling in space. The idea of humans traveling to other planets and star systems with spacecraft, discovering new worlds, and perhaps encountering different life forms is a common dream. Traveling in space. The idea of humans traveling.
So this is showcase. So now this is where it asks me to log in. So that's a paid platform, and you can get 1000 free credits to start with. So let me show you the pricing. So for free you can create script to short videos. With 1000 credits you can create approximately 4 videos, generate videos up to 15 seconds in all video styles. 25 plus voice options is available. Other options, it is like $5 per month. You'll get 7500 credits. That is approximately like 25 videos. You can generate videos up to 30 seconds. With $25 plan, you can get up to 60 videos. That is like 2 short videos you can create per day. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.